everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a repair report for Mike in Washington on the Ranger RCI-69VHP. Mike, first off, let me say thank you so much for your patience. We're slowly trying to work a repair in here and there in between new sales. We still currently are sticking to about 15 business days back on new builds. So if you order a radio today with any modification whatsoever, you can expect to wait around 15 business days before we get to your radio. Obviously that does fluctuate some, a little more, a little less. Getting right to it, Mike, we got you fixed up. You had some blown finals, we replaced those, set the bias correctly, and did our mild tune to it here, man. This thing's ready to go, okay? It's gonna work good for a little backup radio for you. So let's just start with the RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug, and as usual I set it to where if you side run an amp you get full adjustability. There's 2 watts all the way down, and we're about 18 all the way up. And I'm gonna show you average power swing. Hello, 45, 46 bird average. 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1 2. Hello, 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 1 2 audio. And about 90, 92 watts. Clean and mean for you there, Mike. I think it's going to work out well for you. Hope you enjoy it. For your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.